These tattoos ain't styled at dates. I survived, named scars, dead rose nights I barely stayed alive. Every line on my skin got a story that stings, about loss, bad choices, and broken things. I punched holes in drywall, screamed at the dark, sat drunk in a driveway with guilt in my heart, then woke up ashamed with the sun in my face, wondering why God still gave me another day. I'm tattooed, half healed, held together